Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Firefox browser is not working, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is to end the Firefox process in the task manager. So for that we will look for task manager and we'll click on it. Then we will look at the Firefox process. There it is, Firefox, and we will click on end task. Once we do that, we need to restart Firefox again and it should start working properly. But if it doesn't work, then we will need to update Firefox. To do that, we'll click on the three buttons in the Firefox browser here on top, and then we will go to help right below and click on it. And then we will click on about Firefox, and then it should update by itself. And then you need to restart to update Firefox, and your Firefox should start working. It will take some time because it is just updated. Okay, so if it's not working, then we can try this. Click on the three buttons. We can look for, no, click on extensions here, and then we will switch off any extension that is in the computer. So if these extensions are not there, I don't have any extensions on my computer, but if I do, then either I delete them or I switch them off here. And now the last option, if none of these work, they should probably work 90% of the time, but if none of these work, then we need to uninstall and reinstall Firefox. For that, we'll right click on the start button, look for settings, and then we will click on apps, click on installed apps, and then we will search for Firefox here, and we will click on these three buttons here and click on uninstall. Then we can browse for Firefox stable version download. We need to download the stable version, folks, because there's also the beta version and the other versions that are used for the developers to gain more knowledge about the app, but we'll install the stable version. So I can install it from the Windows Store. I'll click on install from Windows. You can also click install it from the Firefox website, and then we'll click on get, and it will install by itself. If this, and it should start working. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.